Hey friends, welcome back to More with Marquita. So I'm on a journey to live more of a soft girl life this year. So I really want to get focused on my signature colors for my lips, and I guess for my eyes also, everyday makeup. So when I go to the store, whatever catches my eye, I want to go for and see how it looks, and I'm gonna hopefully share that journey with you. So normally I am a person that's really into metallics. I love metallics. Those are my go-to. And also I love burgundy lipsticks. I picked this one up from TJ Maxx. I like this one because it's fully metallic, but it has a lot of good colors. So I'm gonna open this one up. All the colors. This is what they all look like. So let's start with this one. Okay, this one is called Imperfection. So they say with lip gloss, a pro tip is to start in the middle. Start in the middle and rub in. But that's actually not gonna work for this. Perfection is a rose gold color, and I would say for right now it's my favorite. Next, Incognito. The first one is closer to my signature color than anything. That's one that I probably say I wear every single day. Oh, it's hard to come off. Incognito is close to shimmery bubblegum pink. This is one that you probably see in my videos all the time because I wear this one a lot also. Next. This one is called Myth. Oh. Next one is Buff. Next. Ooh. I'm a big fan of classic movies, and do y'all remember back in the day, like the commercials and the movies, the girls would advertise with a flower like this. Next. The last one is Hot Sand. Oh, kind of like a copper. So Hot Sand is copper with shimmer, and I really like it. I really like them all. I don't really know which one's my favorite at this point. That was fun. So friends, comment down below on which color was your favorite and the one that you liked the best. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one.